PV carport is an innovative energy solution. Combines solar panels with the carport to provide sunshade, rain protection, and power generation functions for the vehicle. Coupled with charging pile facilities, it makes charging electric vehicles more convenient and brings more convenience to travel. The photovoltaic panels of the photovoltaic carport have good heat absorption properties, which can absorb heat inside the carport and create a cool environment. Compared with the ordinary structure carport, it is cooler and effectively solves the problem of high temperature inside the car in summer. When installing photovoltaic carports, the land space can be developed in layers to make full use of the original site without occupying additional land resources. At the same time, it can also reduce dependence on traditional power grids. Because it provides a stable power supply, operations can continue even when power is interrupted. Huge Energy Photovoltaic Carport supports customized design to meet different needs and aesthetic standards, and you can choose suitable materials, colors, and sizes to ensure that the photovoltaic carport complements the building.